wish to switch your account or log out on the Fliki AI application, then the steps are quite easy. So let's get started right away. First of all, open up the Fliki AI application on your device, and you will be taken into the homepage right away. At the bottom section, you will find various menus. So tap on the account option at the bottom right corner. Here you can find your subscription, your rewards, as well as referrals, and you may change your profile details as well. The logout button is at the top right corner. If you tap on this, you will be asked whether you are sure that you want to log out. Tap on OK, and this will now take you into the sign up or login page right away. If you wish to sign in with a different account, simply tap on the sign in with email or the sign in with Google button, whichever you used while creating your account in the first place. So there you have it. That is how you can switch your account or log out from your active account on the Fliki AI app. If you find this video helpful, make sure to hit that like button and subscribe for more helpful tips and tutorials. Thanks for watching, and I will see you again in the next one.